in my direction.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Protect the furnace at all costs!
I have a bomb.
Yep. Take it to the hatch. Quick.
Yeah.
Too late.
Get rupture on you, run to the edge.
Beware.
Okay, Doc's taken the engineer, so kill that engineer. Drop the bombs. Let him repair.
Did we kill the security guard too?
Yeah, but there'll be more ads in a minute, don't worry. Keep working on the security guards, good.
Next operator coming.
Beware.
That's still recharging. I can't cast that yet.
Coming again.
Call in more security!
Ours is down.
Okay, let's finish our side off quick then.
Beware.
The engineer's about to drop bombs. About to drop those bombs, let's use them.
The furnace is overheating.
Yeah, it's
I'm
down.
moving healers, so I'm going on my way now to meet Purse.
Will be ruined.
As soon as we've grouped up.
I can't cast that.
Fury has broken free! Quick, get it under control!
Hero now.
Yes, hero now.
Have it under control!
Finish Felspar off, bring them all in, Purse.
And I away or not?
Now, we're now going to move our way towards the star marker. We really want to kill Felspar. Got a slag elemental on you. Then go to the... Put the skull on the right one, please, for a steal.
Beware.
Then plant that slag elemental right next to him. Okay, he's down. Kill that slag elemental. Get ready, swap across, melee, swap across now. Everybody swap to the primal elementalist. Quick, quick, quick.
Beware.
I'll grab the security guards, you grab the firemender's Purse, yeah? Fire callers even.
Five, 4, 3,
Faster, guys.
2, 1.
Come on, guys, get some DPS on it. Well done.
Beware.
So kill the firemenders off and move to the next one.
Dr. Druid, stand on the primal elementalist, please.
Next skull up, please still.
Let him move first. Dr. Druid, move to the primal elementalist where the skull is. Go stand there.
4, 3,
Beware.
That's it, now kill it off. Get ready to swap, guys. Swap, swap, swap.
Like that?
Kill that primal elementalist.
I can't cast that.
Beware.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I can't cast that yet.
Well done. Move to the next one. Kill the fire callers on the way.
Halloween, stand on the primal elementalist.
Beware.
Still recharging.
Okay, the slag's just about to go down. Get ready to swap. Swap again.
Get him back, get him back.
Beware.
5,
Yep, everyone on it.
3,
Kill it quick. It needs to go down.
Beware.
down.
Okay, move on to the last one.
Right, I'm parking
5,
it.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Is it close enough?
It's pretty much down to get ready to swap again.
Beware.
Still recharging.
Beware.
The boss is going to come out.
Ranged, hug the walls.
Range hug the walls.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I can't cast
Small victory, but now you will perish.
Right, I've got him now eventually.
Burns
You
at
willen gewoon de bossen nog.
I'll get behind. So I'm going to turn him round. Kill off all the ads.
En dan first.
And every time you get fire under your move,
Use your hand of sacrifices on the tanks, please.
I use my first
keep
set.
please taunt, Purse taunt the boss. Keep moving him backwards around the room. Can't really kill the slag, so just keep going on the boss. Gonna have to go round this pool, Purse, yeah, so get ready to run. Oh. Taunt in 3, get ready to run round the pool, everybody. Taunted.
Still you have any sex left?
Make sure you all stay behind the boss, you don't want to have to run through any more pools. Just taunt when yours run off, person keep slowly backing up, yeah?
Hand of sacrifice on Purse, Steel.
Yeah, I'm tanking, by the way. Okay, no I'm not, it's yours, all yours, Purse. Purse is going to taunt.
Wings on Purse.
Slowly backing up, Purse. They've got a bit of room still there. If you see him running out of room, we've still got half his...
beware.
Use a res, please. Bring Purse back.
Beware.
Taunt when you can, Purse.
Beware.
Tellus, use vigilance on Purse.
3 seconds, Purse. Haunted. I've got the boss. Nearly dead. Well, we're done, guys. Our first kill on him.